Your granny wants to see this month, you know, come here, brother. Just want a girl now. So I have chicken, I have vegetable.
4, 3.
Oh, June plum there. Yeah, star fruit. See how them a taste. Pick up my clothes them car. Rain a come down. Sun hot now, but as I pin them out there before yesterday, rain come down and stop fall. And I say, no, can't left them online today. Lucky thing say, you have a fabric softener and them thing there night. So what that go on now is that make you close them no raw. When you wash with some nice fabric softener, you close the raw. You see what I say? Yeah, I go jump out I know, because from I come to the make 1 week me there, I go hold a haircut. You know, so every week I cut my hair or every 5 days, you know, so let's go. I'm there out up on the Saturday, I go get a haircut. And I say, I always tell you, say, my brother Tyrone, he do trading, so day trading Forex, right? And he always teaches persons who starting out advanced pro and you just need some work done on that and teach, and you have this new program we call it Learn and Earn. We pay like a monthly subscription fee and you get to trading them live in the morning. But I'm gonna make him give you now like a full on breakdown of what it is and other courses and things that he offers. Trust me, you can't miss it, man. So lucky, I'm going to leave all that information in the pinned comment section and leave a comment on the video. So I pin it. Leave a comment to everything we do. And that is a video. And when I post it, I tell you. And then I pin all the information. So it's easier that way. So let's check the top comments in this video. And I'm going to pin all this information. So if you're interested, you can learn and earn. I don't know. I'm not going to send nobody your way when I'm legitimate. Not because I'm a brother. Because I have a brand to protect myself. You see me? So I the realest way. So big up on yourself. You see? Here we must say right now.
The benefit right now, let's say you complete the one-on-one with me now. You're going to see how I implement the strategy on a daily basis. So that now we give it even a further boost with everything. You understand? So because you see me I do it every day and I put everything together every day. So it's like a continual learning curve. Oh. Yeah. And you're probably up on the road. Oh. Alright, no problem, man. But I added to the group already this morning. So I added to one Telegram group. Yeah. So that group, you know, what we do tonight, we exchange like trade ideas in the morning and so forth, and like communicate and something like a community then. Yeah, man. Alright, so for the learn and earn now, that would have to be that you already know how to trade. You see me? You have to know how to trade, so you have to have experience with like trading and thing. But let's say you just want that extra community there to help you in your journey. You see me? So you can have somebody where you trade live every morning. You know, give you that extra confidence. You still make money, see how you and you learn how. That's how we call it learn and earn. You see me? Because you see how we execute life. We break down the chart and everything, see how my morning time. So yeah, I get the benefit of both really. You understand? Yeah, I make money plus you learn. And then now I have other programs now where I do the one-on-one teaching. So if you're new to training completely, you can book a one-on-one with me. I teach you for a month. We have class 3 times a week for 1 hour straight, and you learn directly from me. You see me? So you can be trading already and still join, but you need that extra guidance of somebody if help tweak certain things. If you put you further in your journey, or if you're new, you can book as well. We also have a complete course, which is a pre-recorded Zoom course where you can purchase as well. So that come at a cheaper cost. You see me, more than the one-on-one. Can you say one-on-one it are more cost because I may take the time out of my day for teacher. So anyone interested in, just shoot me a DM on Instagram at TY Outlaw and make we talk. You see me? And check out the YouTube TY Pit Guru and you can get more information about what is it that we do overall. You see me? But we're outside, man. You see me? Fully.
Boogie, I get the near sort out. Turn young Ras. Young Ras? Jaja. You mind in that camera? I'm afraid of that camera. You mind the pani? So Spooky are getting things sorted out, you know? Mr. Green Plaza would have said we so come downstairs and just ask, you see me? You click on it, you don't come here then a months. Look, cutter. Your granny wants to see this. Months you don't come here, brother. Are you watching? You see that? You done me show, me show them how I go on. Move like my pretty boy flight. Yeah, they try Riz. Mm-hmm. A clean cut boy. That's what I girl I know. I have to come at Mr. Green Plaza and rope the boat and do the thing, you know? Yeah. Every week you get a fresh cut same way. So downstairs, Mr. Green Plaza over there. Right after? Keep your broad same way. If it's rusty, I want to take off your soak in a Pepsi. Sure, sure. Now, I guess I'm gonna drink soda, but like once in a while, brother, like water. Drink water throughout the day. I run and sort out for me here now. Mm-hmm. Feel dead? Oh. Crossway the road there? Get a fresh cut. And Spooky has a neat out. Falling grand boy. Let me see here, take off let me see here now. Yeah man. Falling grandson. Sandra one boy. You neat man. You like it?
Later that same evening.
Me's a simple man, no, brother. When I say simple, I want a lavish life. But you see my everyday thing them, I just eat the same thing. You see me? You know I want to spend my money on? Things that can bring me money when I can go anywhere I want to go. What kind of season you use, Tyron? What kind of season you now? You have good amount of season? Oh man, no, it's okay. But I don't like mix up the season them, brother. I just want to sit normal. So one day I grab two something for meal prep because I like come back so I can show two things in the fridge. You see what I say? I grab some chicken, you know, I have to have a whole heap of egg. Because be egg meat for breakfast and oatmeal, you know, so that's it. So this is breakfast. I have oats already, I don't need no milk, none of them sweet sitting there. I have the vegetable. So I have chicken, I have vegetable. Only thing I go on, I have the rice. Only thing I want, I like to blend up some green seasoning and blend up some jerk seed. I go buy them the outer road one next day. Huh? My want the Spooky, where you want? Take up signals you want, bro? But, so when you get mayonnaise, where you make that with?
I know it's at
My
least.
regular pancake. Yeah, you know what thing going on? Just reach back home and thing. Got the supermarket, grab some stuff for meal prep, you see me? Cause if light come back now, so I can have some stuff on the fridge. Tomorrow, I gotta do up some meal prep. I'm trying to see if I can get some fruits so I can make my juice and them thing. I know I normally make my natural juices, you see it? So with that said, I go put them clip up on the computer. I go hold a bed, call the farm, and then got bed. You know this something come down, you see it?
Early the next morning.
Officially 1 week now I'm there yard. I go try run off some gym session in the morning. I miss 2 days because I'm so busy. You see me I say? And what else I need to do? I buy some groceries yesterday. I need to buy some seasoning so I can make some jerk seasoning marinade and some green seasoning to do my meal prep and them thing. Never get to do no meal prep because you never have no light, you see me? So I go run go to the gym so I can run off session. Or before I go to the gym, I just because it's on my way, I go probably just grab this seasoning because again, the place is probably close by the time if you done the gym. I have 20 minutes fit on this thing. And I feel just learn to balance life. You see where I come from? I alone there in the gym in the morning. Don't get me wrong, I miss gym sessions here and there. But it's not deliberately. You see me? I always make sure I come in. I started working out. You guys saw that in 2019. Me specifically, 2019. Probably like 7-8 months before the pandemic hit and shut with them. 5 years that now. 2019, 20, yeah. And I've been going at it. Still with me, I have a fast metabolism, right? So burn off weight fast. If my belly get a little bit too fatty, I lose that in no time. Cardio, proper eating. Or I go in a caloric deficit. Deficit, for those who may not know, means less than in a layman term. So go in a caloric deficit. So if me, for example, I need about 1,800 calories to maintain the body weight that I have. If I eat less than that, I will lose weight. More than that, gain. That amount, I maintain the weight. So that's how the gym basically works, right? And anytime I travel, especially here in Jamaica, I always lose 10 pounds before I go home. You see me? And I said this time, you know what? Sometimes I'm on the road and I'm busy. And I not eat. So by the time I reach Canada, lose half the weight. I feel back in the gym for the next 3 months, it take me to lose weight. But if you get back 10 pounds of weight, I lose in a 2 weeks, you know? Yeah, so I said this time, you know what? Now I ramp with myself, man. I make sure I stay up on top of my eating. I always a workout, but when I'm in Jamaica sometimes, I'm so busy all over the place when I get to come in at the gym. But this time around, I say the gym way forward, you know. As I forward, I sign in. Because I say, nah, itch. I can't work so hard for the past 5 years. It's not a chore. It's not a hobby. It's a lifestyle. Because I want to do this in our 60s, 70s. Stay fit, look fit, be fit, and be healthy. You see me? 20 minutes, man. 10 minutes I can do it a day. This, walking, do something. When I'm done, I go do my back and my shoulders. You see me? Yeah. Fun and sitting in there, but I don't want nothing more. I sweat out the toxins out of my body. Yeah. Ooh. Cha-cha youth. Leg burn. Let's go. They're on a bicycle. You know me always I ride bicycle, don't see that. Ah. Oh God. Ah, this is good for the legs. Overall cardio for the entire body, but the legs, get some nice thick legs as a cyclist. Ooh. Ah God, let's go. So after I'm done, yeah so, now I'm gonna stop at the farmer's market, grab some fresh herbs, spices, hopefully a little bit of fruit so I can make me juice. Because I typically do juicing too. I drink just water mostly. Or I think creatine. I put a little bit in my water morning time. I'm gonna have that. In terms of supplements for the body, I only do creatine, vitamin C, which I don't need to take a lot of that supplement because I'm here now in Jamaica on this one. Because I get that free naturally, better for you too. And men's one a day. Yeah, here and there we're chewing fish oil, omega-3, that will help too. I don't go a lot. I don't go over the top with where supplements are concerned, right? I try to get that from my food. And then now in terms of, you call that something there? In terms of like other nutrients, for the blood and them something there, I get that from my juicing. So it help with blood flow. I know what blood flow good for. If you know, you know. Yeah man, so now I'm going to tell you I'm perfect, but every day I strive to be a better version of myself. No school tomorrow Monday, because it's a holiday for Canada, even though I'm in Jamaica, so no school. So online, I'm loving it. So when you've been asking me, how has school been so far? It's been good, you know? Because here I go on now. I feel like it's easier than when I used to go to college in person. Because for those who may not know, I have a degree in hospitality and tourism management. I did that for 2 years. Them call it an associate degree. Yeah, I have that. I didn't have the money to pursue the bachelor's at UTech at the time. So I just did a 2-year course at a community college. And I got a degree in hospitality and tourism management, food and beverage major, which I am, right? So them time that we used to have 3-4 classes for the day. You see what I say, but this a course I had, you know. It's like we're on one we have just one subject area. And we did that for about 2 weeks. After we doing that, we move on to a new one. So no less confusion is there. You do one course, then for 2 weeks, and you move on to the other course. So I find it to be more doable, especially that I am working now. Back then I used to work at KFC while going to college as well. But now you have kids, we never have kids back then, right? So I think it's an amazing journey thus far. You see what I say, and may I embrace it. It is helping me to get back into routine, because as an entrepreneur, many times people pose like it's a perfect world. I tell people, as an entrepreneur, it gives you bigger financial freedom as well as more time for family. But what it also provides is a lot of stress, sleepless nights, and a lot of overtime. Because when I used to work a regular 9-to-5 jobs, I used to get offered supervisor positions and I wouldn't take them. Why? Because I wanted to stay on the line to learn the craft, not to be in an office writing up any paperwork. That too is important, especially if you're going to go into the business of owning your own restaurant one day. But I wasn't established. I wasn't trying to do much of an office job back then. I wanted to stay in the kitchen to learn the recipes, which I am teaching people now how to cook these things, right? And so I never take on a supervisor position. Why? Because I just want to leave after work. You do so much hours of work, you want to leave. When you leave, you don't have no stress for you as an employee. You go home to your family and you do your thing. You not come back to tomorrow your business, but what go on. See, when you own your own business, before you go to bed, during the sleep, when you wake up throughout the day, you have to think how to improve the business, especially our thing we do online. You have to always figure out what is the next thing that I'm going to come with to be of substance to people and also bring on your income, because it's an everyday thing. You know what I say? Where you have to be on your P's and your Q's, but being an entrepreneur, as I say, you get a lot of freedom and you set your own time. That can be very detrimental, because if you procrastinate a lot and you let the comfort get over you, you can say, I'm going to put off that till tomorrow or whenever time. See? But with me being in school now, I know I have to get up every morning, 6 o'clock the latest, 6:30 the latest. But I like to get my bedspread, make a little tea, brush my teeth and all these things and clean up myself and get ready for school. You see me, even though it's online. So with school now, it help me to get back on track and know, say, yo, you can't say tomorrow you go to class, because if you miss one day on this course, is that 3 days missed. So this is also helping me to get back into being organized. You see me? As I say, as an entrepreneur, we have so much freedom. Sometimes we put off certain things we feel is less important, and then that can affect we in the longer run. Whereas you find the task starting piling up. And being an entrepreneur is not easy. I'm doing this for 5 years, very new. So I made a lot of mistakes, learning from them, and I try to grow my best friend them. You see me? But I tell you, just like when you hear people talk about overseas and I say, foreign is easy, and they must say, if it's easy, you cannot come in your yard. If you come in your yard, you go work less than what you're used to. And you know, when you're used to a certain lifestyle, if you go down to a certain, back to a certain level, it can be very daunting and depressing, right? But eventually you get the thing figured out. You will go back to your yard if that's where you truly want to be. So it's the same thing with being an entrepreneur. I'm not discouraging you. I say don't be an entrepreneur, but just know it comes with more responsibilities than being an employee. You are the CEO. Everything goes through you. When everybody is sleeping, you have to up because if you're not up and I figure these things out, the business will crash and fail. So once it's something where you want, it's hard, but it's doable. As I said, I've been doing this for 5 years. It's been hard, but I know say I have more privileges in my life than what I used to work at 9 to 5 for the past 13 to 15 years. So I have to try my best to just keep on top with this and make it work. You see me? I don't have a plan B. It's always been a plan A for me. So I just give it my all. Sometimes you know, slow down here and there, but I'm only human and I get stressed out at times, and this is why the gym is so near and dear to me, because it helps me clear my mind. You see me, I say, if you're having a bad day, at least you can look on some muscle and say, boy, I look good. You see me, so yeah man, school are going good. It's helping me in more ways than one, not just to earn a degree, but to also get back on track within my own personal life and just know, say, yo, set out the tasks, them, do the right things, man. Once you work hard, it may take a while, but it will come through. You can't keep on working and not see no results. Impossible. Once you keep on working, you're going to see results. So, with that said, we could finish up this now. We have much time I have left on this. 5 seconds, boy. Oh, we're done. It's moving. Look, we're going off one. 30 seconds. Fast. Fast, fast, 30 seconds. Let's go. Let's go. Tightening, say harder. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. 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 That is it. That is it. That is it. I'm going to finish up the workout. I'm going to see the boy sweat. I'll finish up the workout now. And then, I'm wet, you know. Sweat. I finish up this workout now. And then, I got the farmer's market. So I have about an hour and a half to do my actual workout. That was cardio. And then I got the farmer's market, grab some stuff, go home. Do meal prep, showing that. Yeah, man. Back there. Oh. Oh. Now I'm going to record the whole right thing still, but it's a back workout, you know? Just done the gym, sweaty and everything. I'm going to run to the farmer's market and see what I can get. So, ready? Let's go. Oh, I saw on KFC then I told me I show now. But this show the long time I show now again. So, the can't say me never show nothing, right? Yeah. So, right side of Scotia them there, you know. You know, say Christian I go big, hey! Oh, they not done it, man. They not put up their wall and sitting. But Christian I go busy anytime KFC fully open, you know. Yeah. I walk over there. Remember, I've been showing from the initial stages. for the day in a construction. Yeah. See it there? Across and shown. Look at them have some other buildings, so security there, so them hopefully have parking lot space over there. But see them here? KFC Christiana. Yeah, right in between NCB Bank and Scotia. So they're in between NCB and Scotia. I'm going to go over there. Come here, they must say should have opened from in August. But based on the look of it, they're not open for now, man. People don't know about nothing. Let me see how inside they look. Okay, them have got them thing in them, man. Them almost ready, them dining room. Oh, them almost ready, man. So them and then they have the drive-through right there, so. On a drive-through. Oh, they're not on a drive-through. They're not going to drive-through. I swear, they're not going for drive-through right there, so. Ah, this is gonna be sticky. They're gonna be busy, man. This gonna be busy. Yeah. This is gonna be a busy KFC because guess why? Them not have no drive-through. I thought they did, but apparently not. So see it there? Breeze are blowing on my camera. Yeah, them not have no. Them not no drive-through people, but they have walk-through though. So see it there? Look like I put some storage on the background there something, you know. But yeah, this look like it now get done to the next 3-4 months, honestly. Because I have dining room upstairs and downstairs. You look good though, you know. Building nice. Oh yeah, that's it. Alright, them a building upstairs so. Just gonna take time and develop back, man. Alright, may I go get some fruits. From fruits, man, down here, so. I get some fruits, because I want to blend up, you know. That's your brother, you know. If you know Christian, you know the brother. When you man begging, you just go so. And push out in your hand, you know. You see me, you know, ask no question. Yeah. You just push out in your hand. Alright, let me see if this brother I have come on. You know, so through a Sunday, the road kind of empty in the town. Breadfruit. Now I like roast my water. Let's see if this brother I have. I'm going to come to you. Good afternoon. You have celery? Good. Okay. Which one? Price share? Oh. Last time I wear money from Africa. How much a pound female? Oh, June plum there. Star fruit. Fat mango. Banana. I need guinea. Judge. I grab the seasoning them more first. So big man have ackee.
700 a pound.
Have ackee and see what more. Some nice melon but in a hot sun also. Some blacky mango and something. Oh God. What me want, man? How much we have for?
$300.
This scale alone?
You get this time.
With it. Let me see how it look.
Music festival kicks off at 6:30 p.m.
Slayer parsley?
No, we don't have any like.
Oh. You say they really have them thing there? Chano. Yeah, stamp kind of mash up everything. Alright, man. Mash up everything, eh? What garlic set? How much for one of them, man?
300.
So 300 for one of this. I rain that for me? Yeah, feel so, you know? Alright, so I want one of this. Alright. What else more? You know no bigger lime?
Lime, no.
Only bogo lime, eh?
Only them in that one.
Bogo.
No.
Oh,
100 a dozen.
100 a dozen? No need so much, but just need some to make some jerk.
You want 6, you can get
Some jerk me, I'm gonna use this. This I gonna help me with my meal prep for probably about 2-3 weeks. This I can season up my meal prep for 2-3 weeks. Every time I come here, I just come at the market. Today is Sunday still, that's why I'm not too really. You know, so everybody not come out with all of them goods on Sunday. Just get to me can get locally in my town, as I tell you. Yeah. I use that and match up the thing. I grab 2 box side. Long time in it, June plum, you know. What I wanna look. Yo, you know June plum? Can you give me that section? Right then, easy. Yeah, man, everybody are following Franny. Everybody just interesting to see where my forward next. I don't want to think company media too often because when the stage show for keep people are going to use him too much. Yeah. That's what I say? You want to be a little bit scared so when I stage show people want to come on. Where you go to Guinea, my G? Can you taste one of them? Sure, go on. This dark. Alright, so I made that now, yeah? See, money, you know. So the 100, long time 100 and the new time 100, you know? Alright, man, I link up big boy, you know, and get sitting there. Get sitting in front of me, you know? But now the other style, manners. Yeah, David. Outside. Yeah, man, where Dragon go? That is it, man. Then I turn. I link up the great big boy and I turn, you know? Yeah, man.
One 7 bills full. 7 bills full.
Outside. And that Dragon. Hold on there.
You must start to see how far it
Our people can't vlog, you know, sure.
Yes, everybody come and flag you? Eh?
Yeah.
I say work out, eh?
Yeah.
I know say you're not drinking, sir. So by yourself, as Cliff said, speed today. Hold on there. I just go get not everything. I need one more thing for do my juicing. And that, what you call that something there? Celery. So I get ginger, I get beetroot. Yeah, I get the ginger, I get the beetroot, I get the apple, I get the melon. I need some celery now. And I that try to say I could get some parsley for my green seasoning, but you know, so after this time, you hardly have things you want in the market and see. You know what I say? And for my virgin, just I tell me, say, I have to come on wholesale, man, I get whole heap of season. So one of them, man, after I use up them season, I say I want big thing on and I can get for 3 bills. And that one for do just be the one prep. So early morning, I go come out here, come on early morning, and I go vlog that phone. You could see me, I get all of them things. You see me? I go reach in now and blend up them something here, clean up the chicken I get yesterday at the supermarket, season it up, possibly air fry them and cook up some white rice today Sunday, but I do my meal prep for the rest of the week, right? Yeah, man. I do my meal prep for the rest of the week so that I can just eat as I go, because sometimes I'm hungry, I want to go buy one patty and that's not healthy. I can't work out so hard at the gym and come eat fast food and mess up my whole progress. So yeah, I go get that done now. So I go Eddie. Hey, look where I go on. I just cut the jackfruit. Okay, you see, because then water soak after the storm. I just cut them and just spoil my bit. Smell good, you know, man. God, see there? After the storm, man, then just water soak. Yo, now I'm craving jackfruit, man. Yo, let's see if I go there and make it go up beer. Truly vexed about it, man. Could you? Yeah. Get Ella, careful, careful. Wash. Tyron! Yo! Rain a fall! Can't tap and go pick up the clothes, because my hands staining with the guinea. And guinea are sweet, man. My G, that in a chap. You know, say they on the TikTok too, you know, my G? So we not afford in our countryside. Wait, no, stop, Ella. I don't want you to wait. I'm on live. I don't want you to come in and buy no clothes. Ella, hold on. You can't pass, man. But I don't want Ella come in the camera. Eh? You can't pass. Rain, come down. Because to me, you're on live, you know? You know what with the on internet. Brother, you never want to come a country yet. I don't do some man, I don't get ban. That me I tell you. Alright, what time I know? By the next 5 minutes, I have to go jump off, come I have to go reach somewhere fast. Maureen, Maris, I'm my sister, I'm her cousin. You know like country, I don't get ban and you come go on like you're a town man. Eh? Style thing. But a country man, I love bush in my backyard, see eh? I love bush in my backyard and a bag of thing. Yeah. Let me take her off my camera. I still not figure out this out, because I don't even know if you use them thing. Second time this. Alright, my bro, when I come in that place, just shout me. Let me know where I'm going. But it have to be anytime after 12 o'clock. Alright, I would that. Rocket Boss, Delvo, you know who that in that chat? A D-Tan, you know, from primary, you know. D-Tan, you know, remember Delvo? Or Devin? Yeah, man. Yeah, when you come in that place, you have to link me after 12 o'clock, because I have one online class thing I go on, you see me? Yo, they give it a sweet, a fret. And my hand stain up. Go up on the town, as I tell you. Anybody there, just tell me one tree, them come ready. So I get that too. So on June plum, I hope you know, so why not? See how them a taste. Boom. This one is sugar, man. They can make a nice juice, but it's come like a lime. I eat it, you know? 50 la for one, you say, Lily? 50 la for one. I eat it. How would that just follow me? I just tire. Big up yourself for the follow tire. You hear me? It's coming like Sour Patch Kids. When you bite it, you get a sour kick. And then it kind of tastes slightly sweet. But therefore, when you see World Boss there road, I forgot to say a gully man still, you know, so you even should have tell you nothing to. But you didn't even mention nothing to me neither. Alright, who there on the chat? We know how to use. What you call it something? WhatsApp? TikTok. Who know how to use TikTok? Tell me how I take off that something here. Tell me how I take off that extra screen here. When I still live in Canada, I'm a yard man. Still live in Canada, but I love yard, you know? Still live in Canada, but I love yard. Everybody will like me, big up on yourself. No love for the love, said speed. I come back meet them, you can't see, and then Guinea because the Guinea them bad, but this sour. Look more. Big up TikTok. I do the thing one of them time. Yeah. Never remember I said today I might day if you cook. You see me? So I go whip up something quick. Peas boil already, Tyron boil the peas see me already. I peel up the onion here. Make my green seasoning. But how in road, my mother? Eh? Then tell me, a man road a lady ask my son road, but you can't tell me how. Piling in a road. The flowers have not look bad, you know, see them out the road, out the door there. They don't look bad. And still, did they? Clean up, yeah, they want to clean up. I go check it out one day, but they don't look bad out there. The snake one look nice. Well, anytime come here, go. Yeah, nah, come here, yard broke, so you have money for deal what you deal, you know? But nah, what I say, me just a say. I say, you sit down around your ugly grandpit now at date time. Love the granny. Alice at called her recently. So yeah, there we go with the jerk marinade. I have a full jar and a 3/4 jar with some green seasoning. I don't keep a lot of the green seasoning out because the green seasoning tend to go a little bit quicker, whereas a jerk can stay up to a month or more because it has a lot of preservatives. But yeah, I'm gonna clean up some chicken, have everything prep up for the week, and we're good to go. Now I go finish, wash up, clean up the things, and just make my stuff them. I cook some dinner. I can't go really catch that on camera right now because time is against me. Never remember say for me if you cook today. And it's after 6, 6:15. So with that said, big up on yourself. No love. Thanks very much for sticking around. Get me a fall from. See until next time. Safe travel upon the gravel. You have to work